Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add or remove Face Unlock on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphones.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
This video will show how to protect your Xiaomi device by using Face Unlock protection. First, open the Settings application. Scroll down. Then tap on Passwords and Security. Now tap on Face Unlock. Tap on Next. Before setting face data, you need to set a screen lock first. If you don't have already, you can choose pattern, PIN, or password. Select any of this. A confirmation menu will pop up. Tap on Got it. Now draw an unlock pattern. Draw the pattern again to confirm. After that, tap on Confirm. Make sure all parts of your face are not covered by objects and are clearly visible. Tap on Next. Now you have to place your face inside the frame. Your face data is captured successfully. After that, tap on Done. You can change any lock screen options if you want from here. Now lock the screen and check the Face Unlock is working or not. Try again. The Face Unlock is working perfectly. If you want to delete the face data, tap on Delete Face Data. From the confirmation menu, tap on OK. The face data has been deleted. So in this way, you can add or remove Face Unlock on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphones. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.